Laying low, no place to go. Sun like this is through.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Of course, it's me, the blessed girl Gina, God's favorite. And when I say that, God took its time to create me. Yo, you have to take a look at me. I'm joining quickly. Anyway, guys, in today's video, I want to do something different, quite different from what you used to. I want to take a break, a 4 days break. Actually, I'm supposed to be doing some important things. This it's not like this is not important. Like, I have to attend to some things, but yo, I have to take a break. Like right now in Kenya, we are having demonstration, and I have to mention that the police are really making it hard for protesters. But yo, we really need a better Kenya. The president gotta do better or leave the office. Anyway, I believe Kenya is a sovereign state. Or what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, back to my vlog. Let me show you something. I have my book kama kawaida, and I've written what I have to do, and let me give you a close-up. I don't know whether you've seen that, but let me take you through. I have a packing list, yeah, and then before I start packing, I have to change my sheets, my bed sheets, and make the bed, hang clothes. I actually yesterday got these 4 hangers, plastic hangers at 100 shillings. I don't know where Kenyan economy is heading to, but yo, I had to, simply because I need them. Otherwise, it wasn't that much of a priority. But yo, niko na nguo nimeekelea hapa, I'll show you. And ni safi, so they need to be hanged. So yeah, I got these kwa streets, 100 bob na nine. And yeah, then I have to pack my clothes well, pray and leave. But before I do that, let's just get started. And oh, I have to mention that yesterday I passed by my former uni and got my graduation certificate. Yo, a girl just graduated. Msinione hivyo. Msinione mimi nafanya YouTube mkafikiria sijasoma. Anyway, so let me tell you something. Me, I normally tell myself it's better to have my certificates in my house than having nothing. Because even though there are no jobs in Kenya, I'll still go for education any day, anytime. Okay, so let me show you. I don't think I'll show you yote ndo hii. As you can, mnaona imesainiwa ni nini certificate. So we get started with today's video. Tuanze tu hapa kwa kitanda ama. Yeah.
Laying low, no place to go. Sun like this is through the window. Lazy haze filled up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend.
So far so good, as you've seen, or rather as you can see from the video, all is going on well. I can't complain. I am done folding dirty laundry, spreading my bed, changing the sheets and spreading on a new sheet. And now it's time to do what? To have my jackets hanged on the new hangers, just as you can see from the video. And guys, on this video, as you can see, I was talking to someone. I was talking to my mom. She was just there talking to me. Yeah, tulikuwa tu tunapiga story, you know. Tukipiga story nikipanga vitu. As you all know, this is the same day I travel. Like nilikuwa napanga niache bedroom yangu ikiwa sawa ndio I get to travel. Ndio guys, mi napenda kuvaa nguo za babangu kama hiyo yenye nilikuwa nimeshika. I stole it from my dad closet. The first black jacket, it's from my mom closet. Anyway, me, I just love huge jackets. I don't know why, for a reason they complement my outfit. And this brown one is a thrifted leather jacket. I got it for 200 shillings and just look at it. It complements my skin tone. I love it. Anyway guys, keep subscribing to my channel, support me, and if I have gained a new subscriber at this particular point of this video, let me know in the comment section. Just go down there and be like, hey Ngina, you just gained a new subscriber, and yeah, I'll be so proud to welcome you on board and let's do life together. Also, you can help me by sharing my links with friends and family extensively. Make sure to give my videos a thumbs up. You like, just a minute, you like, and yeah, by the way, kama uko na emails account mingi, Google account mingi, unaweza ni subscribe nazo zote. Thank you in advance, God bless you. Alafu kitu ingine, let's do life together, let's be positive. Yeah, na Mungu atatubariki, atatujalia baraka zake na afya mzuri, sio?
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys.
You and I both know that Ngina is a girl who embraces simplicity and loves cleanliness. As you can see on this video, guys, imagine I am traveling and nataka tu kuacha nyumba yangu ikiwa sparkling clean, like my room ikiwa neat, my bed well spread, my clothes well arranged. I just love simplicity. Ndio in case mtu anichokore. Anyway, this is the final outlook. This is where I keep my jackets juu. This side hapa kando bedsheet area juu ziko mingi, so naziekanga hapo pamoja na curtains, and yeah, just like that.
Guys, I thought I was recording. Little did I know I didn't press the recording button. Anyways, it's that time to get started with the packing, and of course I have a packing list. Imagine kwa nishafanya hadi nikatake. Anyway, toothbrush and toothpaste. I have a new toothbrush, so as I'll be shopping for snacks, I'll remember to get myself a toothpaste. Chargers for my 3 phones. 1 for the iPhone and 2 for Androids. I already have one. The other Android is charging, so yeah, nitakumbuka. Towels, of course, I have a face towel, a towel, and of course a lasso. As a woman, you should always have a lasso in your handbag. I also have body lotion. This is the one I'll be using, Nivea Body Splash and Lip Gloss. I have roll-on, this one Nivea, the same. I have fits and hoodies. So let me take you through my fits. I have this black two-piece, so this is fit number 1. I have this black and blue fit, that is fit number 2. I have this black body shaper and pink top, it's exactly what I'll be wearing today. And then I have this skirt and a top. And then I have a skin tight and a vest. So as you can see, my fits are complete. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and of course a baby girl. Nikiona kitu mzuri pale nje lazima nitanunua. I have to get an handkerchief. I have innerwears and bras. So yeah, let's go on with the packing. And of course I have this dry soap. I have these wet wipes. I have a vlogging kit, and of course this OMG headband and a nice dress. And then I have this bag. It's good to have it while you're traveling, just in case your panties may not for nini dry. Unaeka hapa na unafunga hivi. So let's go in with the packing. And of course this is the bag I'm carrying. Oh, I'll attach a picture for you if I have to. Yeah, and it's huge. Why am I carrying a huge bag? Because I know I'm just a big girl. Lazima nitaona kitu inanibamba huko nje ninunue. So kupack ni kuweka tu hivi. Haina mambo mingi. Haitaji mambo mingi. So simple and easy. And guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, to like my content, to share. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, yo, unaona hata najirudia. Please subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, let's become a family. Let's become a family. Let's do life together. Hizi naeka tu hapa. The good thing nishaoga, so ni kuvaa tu, ni change. Hii paper siitumii right now. Sina kitu ya kuweka, so naiweka tu hapa na toothbrush hapo. As in I have a huge bag, so vitu ni kuweka tu, and I'm done. Imagine nimemaliza. So as you can see, mbona inajikunja hapa? Tajikunjua tu along the way. This is the bag I'll be carrying. This is the fit I'm gonna be rocking right now. That's my cover for my phone. So I'm done changing sheets and making my bed, hang clothes, pack clothes, well, but I'm praying and leaving. So we're done with this book. Yeah, shoes. Viatu. Yeah, viatu. It's a hoodie. I have to get a hoodie. And yeah. Let me just get the hoodie right now. If I forget. Let me just get the hoodie right now. Let me get the hoodie. The hoodie is here. Yep. I hope hakuna kitu kingine nimesahau. Sisi kusahau. Ona hata sijaweka bra hapa ndani na panties. Uniziweke juu hizi nikisahau. Yeah. Girl is ready. Ooh, and of course let me show you. I can't have my mini in there, so I'll carry this handbag. So just allow me to dress up and come back. This is all I'll be dressed. So simple and casual. Then pick the details on my top. Huku sides. Details ziko hapa. And then I'll have this on my hand. Then I'll put on this denim jacket later in the day. And then this is my bag. So let's take a leave.